Seattle, clearance delivery. Orbit rate 980, IFR to Portland, ready to copy. Orbit rate 980.
What is up, people? So, welcome to the second vlog. Oh, it's too bright out there. Wait, let me just adjust the exposure a bit. Yeah, this works. And this being a bright day, it's actually a pretty good day out here in my city, Indore. A good day to fly the drone. Not a lot of clouds, not a lot of wind. But as you can see from the title of this video, will this actually be a bye bye for drones in India? And will I actually be able to fly my drone? Let's just find out. Also, my mom had a gardening session recently where she cut off the plants. You can look at them how they are lying right now. Once they were alive, hanging from these branches. Now they are lying here dead. But yeah, it's a pretty good garden my mom has set up. Ha! Yeah, so let's get to the main topic of the video. Why you guys clicked this video. In a circular dated 8 June 2020, the DGCA, Directorate General of Civil Aviation in India, issued a new circular making it mandatory for every drone owner in the country to enlist their drones with the government. You have to provide all the details like the make, the year of manufacturer, flight control, serial number, and all that. And it will not doing so and failing to do so will lead to penal action against the owner. From what I've read, they won't confiscate the drone, but yeah, it will lead to heavy fines, which I don't think any of you want. And personally, I also don't want it. So I have enlisted my drone, my Mavic Mini, with DGCA, and I would put the link to that page or to that site in the description below. So any of the people who own a drone or who are planning to buy a drone should get their drones enlisted. I said drones too many times. So should get their unmanned air vehicles enlisted with the government so that they don't charge you with heavy fines over the price you have already paid for the drone. Not saying drones are overpriced. Actually they are, but they are worth it. So the drones which weigh under 250 grams fall under the nano category, and you don't need any enlisting or any registration or any unique identification number if you want to fly these drones in our country. Used to, but according to the recent amendment to the laws, now each and every drone needs to be enlisted. It may fall under the nano category, it may fall under the micro, large, any of those categories. It does not matter. You have to enlist any drone you possess, and you have to voluntarily disclose information about the drone on the DGCA website. The link is in the description. My question is, how do you think it will impact the drone sales in the country? As many of the companies, like a major brand in the drone market is DJI. So they have a drone which I also own, DJI Mavic Mini, which they particularly made for the laws, because the laws for the 250-gram drones are pretty much similar in all the countries. So you don't need any enlistment or any, I don't know, registration to fly these drones. But now, because of this recent amendment, how do you think it will impact the sales of these drones in the country? Also, apart from the amendment in the laws, it was a short bye-bye period for me also for my drone, because I lost my drone cable to the place where we went the other day, and I went to look for the cable. Let's see how that turned out. By the way, these shades, super red. Only color I can see is red. Right now, the only color available in the world for me is red. Helmet, should wear it, but I'm not a big fan. are off to get we are off to look for the cable for my drone which I lost yesterday, and people are giving me weird look because, as I told you, people are not so familiar with vlogging. So right now I am at the first shop where I am trying my luck for the drone cable. Also, you can see how hot it is right now. I am pretty sure it's above 35 right now, and I am sweating like hell. Let's try our luck. First shop, disappointment, could not find the cable here. Going to the second shop, I hope I find it. I really want to fly my drone. Can't live without it. It's awesome. Also, fun fact, Canon autofocus face detection cannot detect your face when you're wearing a mask. So right now when I'm wearing a mask, it cannot detect my face. But when I remove the mask, then it will automatically detect my face and keep a focus. Weird. I think I have to keep the camera now because we are going to a crowded place. Be right back. See, out the autofocus thing. Now it will focus and now it won't. Now we are at the second shop, and this is the second shop, our studio. This is where I got this filter and all that. So no luck at the second shop also, and now I have an idea. It's a long shot. Let's see if it works out or not. But see, I need this cable because drone is a very changing light adjustment needed. Yeah, so as I was saying, I need this cable because drone is a very good tool at our disposal. We as creators at our disposal to give a different perspective to the footage and to the film and any project we are making. So what are your thoughts on drone footage? Do you think they enhance your footage? Do you think they are overdone? Do you think it's not that special? Let me know. So this right here is my long shot. I'm trying on a mobile shop if I can get the cable. If I can get a C type 2 Android connector. So the long shot kind of worked. I have bought the connector, and now let's see if it works or not. Also, like, since I've got the drone, I have had a feeling that I need to include sorry I need to include a drone footage in everything I do. So does that happen with you guys also, that once you get a new equipment, any, be it a drone, be it a new camera, be it a GoPro, anything, and you feel like that if you have invested in it, you need to use it in your footage? So you're back home, and here I have the connector. Oops, fell. Are we ready? The drone is flying. The drone is flying. The drone is flying. The drone is flying. Woohoo! I know you cannot hear me about the drone, but yes, it works. Let me just land it now so that we can talk further. The drone flies. So the good news is my drone works with the connector I brought from the mobile shop, and I think it's a good place to end the vlog on a good note. I am going to leave you with the sequence which got interrupted because of the new drone laws in the country, and I will see you in the next vlog. If you like this one, like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.
Seattle, clearance delivery. Orbit 3980, IFR to Portland, ready to copy. Orbit 3980 is cleared to Portland Airport as filed. Fly runway heading climb and maintain 12000. Departure frequency is 120.1, squawk 3606. Orbit 3980 cleared to Portland Airport as filed. Fly runway heading climb and maintain 12000. Departure on 120.